Following on from the fabulous success of the Ruger Precision in its Centrefire, Ruger about 3 years ago released a Rimfire version in 2.2. This has been so popular they've now added to the family with a 1.7 HMR and a 2.2 WMR. This rifle is a full training scaled down size of the Ruger Precision rifle. It's got full aluminium frame, chassis, handguard for M-lock, factory threaded, detachable magazine, 15 round. It will also take the 10 and the 25 round magazine, so it's very versatile in all calibers. It's got, if I flip it over, it's got AR style safety catch, grip, which is interchangeable with other accessories if you wish to upgrade at a later date. You've got a Picatinny rail. You've also got a match grade trigger and a fully adjustable stock. The beauty of this is a training aid if you're used to shooting with a Centrefire by simply removing the clip on the bolt. This will make the bolt come back to a much longer throw. So you have a choice, short throw or long throw. Also lends itself to the field use, where a lot of people use this now for long range rabbit shooting. I've heard stories of people pushing it right out with SK match ammunition and SK long range to over 200 meters, which is quite good sport. Low recoil, low cost of running, ideal bunny basher right the way through to a club gun, and let's say for the enthusiasts of the RPR, which has got a massive following here in the UK across the board in all calibers, which, like I say, has gone down to Rimfire, but they now also offer a Magnum caliber as well in 338 and 300 Win Mag. This is £750 retail. I'm very enthusiastic about this rifle because it's so versatile. For your money, you get a real substantial rifle, something that will take knocks and dings. It doesn't feel like a toy town gun. A lot of Rimfires that come out with a chassis system, it's either some sort of plastic style, even some of the aluminium ones feel a little bit flimsy, a little bit toy-like. This feels like a proper piece of military kit.